Hello and Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome to Heartful Cooking. In this episode we will be preparing a dish which is a fusion of Oriental and South Asian flavors called chicken stir fry with vegetables. It contains a melody of vegetables and a blend of spices that will bring your mouth alive. Check out the description box below for the full list of ingredients. As a helpful tip, before you begin, it's always easy to have all your ingredients washed, chopped, measured, and set aside. It also makes the flow of your cooking experience so much more enjoyable. Being present while preparing your food makes it a mindful experience. So on that note, let's get started. In a medium-sized pot, add your olive oil and turn on the heat onto medium-high. Now this olive oil I'm using is suitable for higher temperature cooking and has a higher smoke point. If you don't have this, try using rapeseed oil or sunflower oil instead. Once your oil has heated, add chicken, black pepper, and crushed garlic. In this recipe, I use chicken with bone. You can also use boneless white or dark meat. Stir and cook the chicken. By adding the pepper and garlic earlier on in the cooking process, it allows the chicken to get infused with all of these flavors. As you're cooking and stirring the chicken, you'll notice that the garlic will become a lot more fragrant. At this point, add the soya sauce. Now, soya sauce has a higher sodium content, so don't add any additional salt at this point on. You will taste the salt content later on, and then you can add any additional salt. Don't be too heavy with your salt in the beginning. Check it later on and then you can make adjustments. Once everything is mixed in, cover to cook on medium heat. At this point, you want to make sure that the chicken is cooked through for about 20 minutes. If you're using boneless chicken, it will take less time. However, when in doubt, break a piece and make sure that it isn't pink inside. Once the chicken has cooked, move the chicken onto the sides of the pot and add your crushed ginger into the oil to slightly saute it, and then stir it into the chicken. This allows to activate the aromatics of the ginger, and by adding the ginger later on, the flavor is also enhanced. Add your vegetables and stir fry lightly. We want our vegetables to have a bit of a crunch. Now add chaat masala and sweet paprika powder. Chaat masala is a specialty spice mix found at South Asian stores. If you don't have this, you can use allspice or a 5-spice mix as well. When you see that everything is coming together, add your mushrooms. Now mushrooms tend to absorb moisture and get soggy, so try not to overcook them. Check the salt and add any additional salt if needed. You can stop here if you would like a dry chicken stir-fry dish, but if you like a more saucier version, go ahead and add your pasatta or tomato sauce and mix. Now, pasatta is a tomato-based sauce used in Italian pasta sauces, but they are also great in curries and making your own sauces for stir-fry dishes such as this one. Cover and cook on low heat for about 5 minutes. Add your cornstarch slurry, which is basically cornstarch dissolved in water, and mix until your sauce has thickened. If you find that the mixture has thickened too much, add water to loosen your sauce. Now add some honey, and if you like a dash, okay, maybe not a dash, but a dash or two of red chili powder, and this is of course optional. Right before serving, add some chopped green onions and coriander. And here you have it, chicken and vegetable stir fry served with a bean salad and some plain basmati rice, an infusion of cultures and flavors all packed into one dish. Do give it a try and share your pictures with me on Instagram. And if you like this recipe, do consider subscribing. From my kitchen into yours, see you in my next video.